Main Care Energy of Albany, New York is open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, even on holidays, for service for gas heater repair, oil furnaces, and more. Open 24 hours for deliveries and service. Rest assured you will remain warm in the winter months should your natural gas, oil, propane, or kerosene heating source need repair, or you're in need of a delivery. Main Care Energy is serving the greater Albany area since 1931. We are an employee-owned and operated company dedicated to serving our community with excellent customer service, the best pricing through our price protection plan, and quality expert installation of heating and cooling systems. Call Main Care Energy today at 800-542-5552.